Welcome to this lesson on triple bonds. In chemistry, triple bonds represent one of the strongest types of connections between atoms. A triple bond occurs when two atoms share three pairs of electrons, creating an incredibly stable and strong molecular structure. Throughout this lesson, we'll explore what makes triple bonds special, examine real-world examples like nitrogen gas, and understand why these bonds are so important in chemistry. A triple bond is a covalent bond formed when two atoms share three pairs of electrons between them. This means a total of 6 electrons are involved in holding the two atoms together. When atoms form triple bonds, they create the strongest type of covalent bond possible. The sharing of 3 electron pairs creates an extremely stable connection that requires significant energy to break apart. This makes molecules with triple bonds very stable and less reactive, compared to molecules with single or double bonds. In chemical notation, we represent triple bonds using 3 parallel lines between the atoms. For example, in a nitrogen molecule, we write N triple bond N, where the triple bond symbol shows 3 lines connecting the 2 nitrogen atoms. Each of these 3 lines represents one shared pair of electrons. So when you see this triple bond symbol, remember that it means 6 electrons total are being shared between the 2 atoms, with 3 electrons coming from each atom to form 3 distinct pairs. The most common and important example of a triple bond is found in nitrogen gas, written as N2. Nitrogen gas makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere. In this molecule, 2 nitrogen atoms are connected by a triple bond. This triple bond is what makes nitrogen gas so stable and unreactive in our atmosphere. The strong connection between the 2 nitrogen atoms means they don't easily break apart to react with other substances, which is why nitrogen gas remains largely inert in the air we breathe. To understand why nitrogen forms a triple bond, we need to look at its electron configuration. Each nitrogen atom has 5 valence electrons in its outermost shell. However, to achieve a stable configuration, nitrogen needs 8 electrons in its valence shell, following the octet rule. This means each nitrogen atom needs 3 more electrons to be stable. When 2 nitrogen atoms come together, they each share 3 of their electrons with the other atom. This mutual sharing creates 3 bonding pairs, allowing both atoms to complete their octets and achieve stability. Triple bonds have several distinctive properties that set them apart from single and double bonds. First, they are very strong because 3 pairs of electrons hold the atoms together. Second, triple bonds are the shortest type of covalent bond because the atoms are pulled very close together by the strong attraction. Third, molecules with triple bonds tend to be less reactive because breaking a triple bond requires a large amount of energy. Finally, the high energy required to break these bonds means they are very stable under normal conditions. While nitrogen gas is the most common example, several other important molecules contain triple bonds. Acetylene, also called ethine with the formula C2H2, contains a carbon-carbon triple bond and is used as a fuel in welding torches. Carbon monoxide, written as CO, has a triple bond between carbon and oxygen, making it a toxic gas that binds strongly to hemoglobin. The cyanide ion, written as Cn-, also contains a carbon-nitrogen triple bond and is known for its extreme toxicity. Each of these molecules demonstrates the unique properties that triple bonds bring to chemical compounds. Let's review the essential concepts about triple bonds. First, triple bonds involve 3 shared electron pairs, meaning 6 electrons total are shared between 2 atoms. Second, nitrogen gas, or N2, is the most common and important example of a triple bond in nature. Third, triple bonds are very strong and create the shortest distances between bonded atoms. Finally, we represent triple bonds using 3 parallel lines, shown as a triple bond symbol between the atomic symbols. Understanding triple bonds helps us comprehend molecular stability, reactivity, and the behavior of many important chemical compounds.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.